This is Baldwin, and you probably know me if you're on this page. What you're about to look at is the game group membership. This is the vault where I put all of my best material from the last 15 plus years online and the next 15 years online, all in one place. And it's not just online, actually. I got a lot of stuff that I did offline, but we happen to have video of it. We put it online. It's all here in this game group membership. That's what you're looking at right now. Why does this exist? Because I've created more content over the last 15 plus years than any human being you can name. Anyone you want to name online, any influencer, any brand, any company, no one has created more content than me. No one has created more high value content than I have. The reason that I put the game group membership together is so that it's all in one place, that it's all organized, and you can go through it systematically, and because I'm always adding new material every single day to work on your game masterclass, some of y'all call a podcast. I want to make sure there's a place where the most serious people, the most devoted, the most loyal listeners of that show, the most loyal followers, people who are getting the most value out of it, can have exclusive access to it that no one else has access to. How do you get access to the game group membership? I want to make it really easy and really simple for you, so this is what I did. I'm going to give you your first 2 weeks of access to this entire vault. Everything in here, completely for free. It costs you absolutely nothing. There's a 2 weeks, 14-day free trial use of this game group membership. So you can see it, you can experience it, you know exactly what's going on, you know exactly what it's like. Nothing is held back from you, so you know exactly what you are getting. This is the best university in the world. I just read that Princeton is charging $48,000 a year and Harvard is charging $49,000 a year for tuition, and they're doing their classes online. Can you imagine how much money you are spending every single day outside of Princeton and Harvard on things that are not making you better, not making you grow, not taking you to a higher level, that you probably don't even think about it. You don't even count up those expenses. The game group membership, even after your 2-week trial is over, is $27 a month. That's less than $1 a day for a masterclass directly from a person who built a career in professional basketball, took the same frameworks that I use in sports and applied them to the business world as a professional speaker and building a brand. And as the CEO of Work on Your Game Incorporated, creating these masterclasses every single day. We have over 15,000 hours of material right here in this membership area, and a lot more to come. That's why this exists, how you're going to get access to it. I just told you your first 2 weeks are free. After 2 weeks, it's $27 a month. If you want to keep it, we will send you an email 48 hours before your trial is up so that you know clearly that your trial is about to be up, so it won't be any surprise charges or anything like that, and you can stay or you can go. I don't know why you would leave a university that's giving you 100 times for every $1 that you spend, 100 times return on investment. I don't know why you would do that, but if you want to, hey, it's your choice. Now, I just told you everything you need to know. I told you who I am. You already know who I am. I told you what this is, the game group membership, why it exists, so I can give access to the most serious people who are the most serious about getting better and growing, access to the best material, the best content vault there is on the internet from the deepest content creator that exists. That would be me. How do you get access to it? Your first 2 weeks are free. All you do is put your information in, click on the button right here on this page. And before we get done, actually, matter of fact, I want you to watch what I'm about to show you after this. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the game group membership. Just in case you're not quite sure yet, let me make it really clear for you. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like inside the membership, all the material, and how you get access on your smartphone, only for members, member-only access to the smartphone, the exclusive, game group exclusive smartphone app. If you got any questions about anything after this, just watch the video again, because I just told you everything you need to know. So check this video out, get started in this 2-week trial, and I will see you inside of Work on Your Game University. Let's get to it. School's in session. What you're looking at right now is the game group member portal. All of this material is available to you as a game group member. So this second tab right here, all these tabs, you just click on them, they open. This second tab I'm in right now is how you access the Work on Your Game masterclass on your smartphone. So you immediately do this one when you first join. And this tab here, of course, we got the introduction, a little message from me. You got some articles on video. There are several of those in there. You got the curated videos that you should watch. There's an entire list, and I'm always updating this. So whenever I see a video that I think would be interesting and beneficial to you, I add it here, and this list is pretty long, so I'm not even going to scroll through the whole thing. So curated videos are here. We also have a curated articles section that you will see in here. We have the Law of Attraction series. We have the Confidence Vault, all the material on confidence, material on time control, a bunch more videos here, curated articles that you should read. I am always updating this list. This list has gotten pretty long, so if you ever want reading material, I'm giving it to you here. These are not for any one specific category. These are for a bunch of different categories. All of your masterclass categories, I've categorized them here. So we're always updating this because there are always new masterclasses getting added. So you'll always be able to check masterclasses by category. So all you do is click that, come back up to the top, and we have these organized again in groups, basically little playlists based on whatever category it happens to be. So let's say we went to people and relationships, scroll back up to the top. All these masterclasses from that specific category are here. And again, we're constantly updating that. So another way that you can look for topics of the masterclass is right here, the masterclass episode list. So these episodes, some of these episodes at the top of this list haven't even come out yet, but I put them here so you know what is coming in the future. So some of these, again, as of this recording, haven't even come out yet. By the time you see this, maybe they have, and we'll have updated this list. But if you're ever looking for a certain topic ever in the history of the show, all you have to do is come here and you can scroll through, and as you can see, every episode that has ever been released in the history of the show is listed here, and you have access to guess how many. Every single one of them you have access to as a game group member. And I'm not going to go through every single tab here because obviously there's a lot, but as you can see, every 100 episodes is grouped together. So if we just click on any one of these randomly, it's going to pull up the playlist right here, and there it is. Every episode from 1001 up to 1100 is all listed right here. And of course, in the smartphone app, which I'm going to show you in a moment, you can access these on your phone, on the go, anytime, any place, and have them on your device saved for easy, immediate access. This is, again, I'm just showing you a sampling of the back end of the game group membership. This is actually the front end. Once you're in and you take that free 2-week trial to get started, I have no idea why you wouldn't take it. You can immediately access this game group membership material. If you ever need help, you would just click right here. It'll send an email to us. All the materials here, we're always adding new material. I will never run out of material. As long as I'm here, there'll be new material getting added here, and it will continue to get better. Now let's take a look at what the smartphone app. Now we're looking at the smartphone app for the game group Work on Your Game University. So every 100 episodes is grouped in its own playlist. In this app, they call them sound casts, but it's the same as a playlist. As you can see, they're just grouped by 100. So all you have to do is scroll through each one, and everything is already ordered. We're already in group 1500 right now. That's why that one was only up to 1514. But as you can see, any group, all you have to do is scroll through. You can find any episode. If you're looking for a certain number episode, all you have to do is type the number in, and it immediately comes up. I mean, that's like magic, right? You look into any one, and you also don't just have to type in the number, but we could try it again just to make sure that those numbers work. Episode 450, there it is, and you can immediately play it and listen to it. So any episode that's ever come out in the history of this show, you can go ahead and listen to it directly there. And you can also look for any episode by searching by keyword. So if there's a certain word or something that I said and you want to find it by topic, so you can look up dog, you can find it that way. And then of course it's playing the episodes, any episode that you want to play. You can play it straight through your smartphones just like you would play anything. I think this is pretty self-explanatory. If you've gotten this far in the video, I think you understand how to play things on your device. And while you're inside, you can leave a comment. I do read all the comments that get left on any episode of the show, so you can leave a comment thusly. There's a little demonstration of how to leave a comment, and then I can come in and reply to a comment, or any other listener can come in and reply to a comment to any episode. So anyone that gets left, I'll be able to see it, and you see how the replies will come through. You can like an episode by hitting that heart right there. You can share the content, obviously, through the share button down there. Now, someone who is not a member is not going to be able to actually listen to it, but there is a share button. You have the play speed button, so you don't have to listen to it on 1x speed. If you're trying to catch up, you haven't listened to many episodes, you can catch up by hitting the speed button. And by hitting this little cloud button here, you can download the episodes to your phone so that you don't even have to have Wi-Fi access or data access to listen.